So the apartment is 610. We are in Seattle, Washington, the center of the city, Pike Street, where all of the action happens. And I'm just going to walk you through a two-bedroom apartment in downtown Seattle, Washington. So when you first walk in, you have your washer and your dryer. That's the full view ahead. On the right, there's a bedroom. Nice size room. And here you have the bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. A little further down, you have the 2nd bedroom. Same layout concept. Straight into the kitchenette area, dining area, and on the right is the living area. Let's just take a look outside. This is downtown Seattle, Pike Street, which is the heart of the city. Thank you for stopping by the channel. We've included a link below with our Space Needle experience. And as always, thank you for watching.